Hey there y'all, different kind of video today. A lot of my videos are in the workshop or in the house doing projects. I wanted to show you something I got going out here in the yard. It's pretty exciting and also a real neat place that I like to relax over on the other side of the house. So stay with us and we'll take a look.
You're watching Patrick Parson Workshop.
Got a couple different apple trees here. This is a Gala apple tree. Haven't got that one in the ground yet. And then back here, this is a mutsu, one of our favorite kinds of apple trees here. So gonna get probably one more. You can see we got kind of a little stretch right here. This is our side yard. So I think I can get one, maybe two more in there. Looking forward to these. They probably won't have apples this year, but looking forward to when they do. Got some honeybees already showing up. So that's awesome. That'll help out with our apple trees. This is on our east side, and it is nice and shady out here this time of day. In the morning, there's a little bit of light that comes through here. Real nice. If you're sitting here, it's kind of at your back. You can sit over there if you don't want the light on that swing right there. And this is shady 100% of the day. Really, really peaceful. This clock, it's got the little neon circle around the face of it there. It's probably, I'm gonna say 16, 18 inches in diameter. My aunt gave this to me. She's into antiques and old, cool stuff, just like we are. If things get really quiet, you can hear it, and that's the only thing you can hear in here, and it's kind of neat.
Hey y'all, hope you enjoyed seeing that. Exciting with this new spring weather here, so I wanted to put this out. This is just a little bonus. I still got my project video coming out this week, so hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next video.
Trying to get some kind of a good picture for my video thumbnail.